Hello, my name is Chris with SERVPRO of Charlottesville.
And I'm David.
Today we're going to be showing you the two main versions of air movers that we use for drying carpets, floors, walls, and just general drying purposes. First one here is going to be the Snail Shell version. The nice thing with these is it has intakes on the sides, so it allows us to put it underneath the carpet in situations where it's category 1, which is clean water. So we can dry float your carpet without ripping the carpet up in most cases. We can also turn it at a 45-degree angle, so we can dry walls that have flat paint, which is also really nice. Also helps us avoid more demo than was necessary. And one other nice feature with this is you can duct this. What that does is it allows airflow to go under cabinets or up into ceilings. So once again, it's less demo as opposed to not being able to get to the materials, which causes more demo to have to be done. So I'm going to turn this on. It's going to be a little bit loud. To give you an idea what the ducting will do, we can put it up ceilings or dry underneath the cabinets. The big thing with all of our air movers and all of our equipment is it is a little bit loud, which I know is an inconvenience, but please always leave it running, which will reduce the drying time. All right, I'm going to turn it over to David.
So this is our pancake right here. The intake is on top. This is a little bit easier for stuff to kind of get trapped in here, so we have to be mindful. Make sure there's no like towels or like loose bags floating around. But one thing that's nice about this, it's not as specialized as these, but you can place more in an area because it has lower power draw. And for spaces that have fewer outlets, you can actually daisy chain several of them together. So this air mover is actually plugged into this one here. So it's a little bit easier to place multiple ones at a time. And yeah.